How to withdraw Coinbase funds quickly. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how can you withdraw funds quickly from Coinbase. So what you need to do is, to withdraw funds quickly from Coinbase, you could sell your crypto to USD or USDC balance and use an instant cash out. What you need is have a USD or USDC balance and a RTP-enabled bank account. And all you need is just go to your cash balance at the top and select cash out. Then you want to choose your bank and enter the amount and select preview and confirm. Once you've done it, so you will then be prompted with two different options: instant and free. So if you want to go with the instant, it's going to be in a speed format, that is, you can send it instantly, and as per this you might also be charged with certain amount of fees. And next, for the free, it might take 1 to 3 business days in order to transfer or withdraw the money. So you just have to be patient enough and select one of these method. So that's how you're going to withdraw Coinbase funds quickly. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.